Many people may be curious about how to recover deleted videos from Android. If some vital videos on Android disappear. To get around this problem, just keep reading, as we will walk you through with 4 feasible solutions today. Option 1. How to recover deleted videos from Android with Doctor for Android. Advise you to pick Mobican Doctor for Android against time. With this best tool for Android video recovery, you can avail of it to recover all your deleted videos without any data loss, making your life easier. Steps: how to recover deleted videos from phone memory or SD card with Doctor for Android. Download and install Doctor for Android on your computer. Connect to your Android device via USB cable and enable USB debugging following on-screen prompts. Connect your Android device, select Videos, and click Next to scan your phone. In the Videos section, view deleted videos and click Recover to start recovery. Option 2. How to retrieve deleted videos on Android via Google Photos. Open Google Photos, tap Menu, and select Trash. Preview and select videos, then tap the undo icon to restore them to Google Photos. Click Restore to recover videos to your Android gallery or album. Option 3. How to get back deleted videos on Android with Google Drive. Open Google Drive on your Android, swipe left, and select Trash. Browse the videos, choose desired ones, tap 3-dot menu and click Restore to recover deleted videos effortlessly. Option 4. How do I recover deleted videos from my Android phone using recently deleted folder? Open Photos, Album, Gallery on your Android. Tap the 3 points, choose Recently Deleted Files, select Videos, tap Restore, cover all to undelete.